Hey guys, today I'll be telling you how you can create a Wix website in 2021. So, if you want to build a website using Wix, you are in the right place. So Wix is a simple drag and drop website that makes it easy for anyone to quickly build a website without coding or design skill. Even through Wix, it's so easy to use. It can be intimidating for you when you are just getting started, especially if you have never made a website before. So I have created a simple video for your beginners so you can walk through the entire process. So in this video, I'm going to cover signing up with Wix, choosing a template for your Wix site, introducing the Wix site builder, introducing Wix artificial design intelligence, customizing your Wix site, publishing your Wix site, and managing and updating your Wix site. So the first question here arises: why build a website on Wix? So before we get started, it's worth taking a few moments to consider why you want to create a website on Wix and if it's the right choice for you. Wix is a drag and drop website builder, which means you can design your website visually by moving around page elements and typing directly on screen, or rather than using having to use code. When you sign up for an account with Wix, you will get access to library of 800 pre-designed templates to get you started. You can use the template as they are or customize them to create more unique design. So the Wix builder is very initiative and easy to use for beginners, and it offers a lot of flexibility for those who want to get started. So with Wix.com, you don't need to worry about buying hosting, web hosting, or installing software. You just sign up and go. So it's the easiest way to get started online. So you can get started with building website on Wix for free. Wix free sites are given on Wix subdomain like website newbie.wixsite.com and have Wix brands add on them. So if you want to remove the ad and use your own domain like my website .com, just you have to set up an online shop. You will need to pay for one of the premium package starting from 4.5 or $50 a month. So some of the great features you get with Wix include an AI site, that tool that will create a unique website for you. It will manage everything in one place, including hosting, security, email, and analytics. You will have access to comprehensive knowledge base with support team on hand when you get stuck. So it also has tools for SEO. Email and social media marketing integration of over 250 apps and add extra functionality to your site. So, in contrast, I can say Wix is a great solution if you want to keep quick and easy hands-off way of building a website. It can be used to create a personal website, business website, blog, online stores, galleries, portfolios, member sites, booking sites, even sites with ticket sales, music or video sites with membership or digital product. So it will have restaurant sites with reservation and online ordering. So, however, Wix isn't the best choice for everyone. If you want full control and flexibility over your site, you are building a complex site. Building a site with WordPress might be better option for you. Not sure which platform is best for you. You have to go through that our video. So okay, if you are ready to give a Wix a try, let's get started before wasting any time. So first of all, I think question is signing up with Wix. So you have to simply head over to Wix.com and hit the blue get started button. So you will be taken to the sign up screen where you can enter either create a new Wix account or sign up with your Facebook or Google account. After you have created an account or linked to one of your social media accounts, you'll be taken to a quick questionnaire. You can skip this, but it's best to complete as it will customize Wix to best fit your needs. So the questionnaire will ask you question, who are you creating site for and what kind of cited an experience building website. You will then get an option to go ahead and get started with the template, and the big drag and drop editor or the AI powered web wizard called ADI will automatically create a website for you. So you can also let a Wix choose a template for your Wix site. Click the blue Start Now button. You will be taken to the Wix template directory where you can start browsing through some site design. The template you are shown first depend uh, I'm seeing blog site templates here, but you can still browse and choose from the other side of templates such as business, store, creative, and community. You can browse through all the themes until you find something you look like the search of keyword, but like the food or tech if you're building a site with a specific theme to get a better look at each theme. However, the thumbnail, I click view button. So if you got previous experience building the site or you want to have more creative freedom, look at the blank template. These templates provide you the basic layout, and you can create your own design by adding image, changing colors, fonts, and other design elements. Once you have Wix Expert, you can Once you're a Wix expert, you can opt to start from scratch and build your entire website from a blank page. So let's talk about introducing the Wix site builder. After choosing the theme, click the edit button, and you will be straight taken to the Wix drag and drop editor. So then let's start helping by you let helping you find your way around the dashboard. So area in red one is your main Wix account menu, from where you can view and store previous version of your site, connect domain, set up email, improve your SEO, manage your social media account, and all other aspects of site management. So, guys, this was it for today. Hope you liked the video. And if you liked the video, make sure to comment down below and give what you liked about the video. If you have any questions, comment. You can also comment. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.